Yo, yo, yo. Today we drink to the 51. We drink to the best, we drink to the worst, and all that's in between. We drink to the P.O.T.U.S. Happy President's Day. Well, let's make some drinks. Welcome to Mama Reubo's kitchen. Interestingly enough, I did my best to find drinks that were based on the presidents themselves. But little did I know, they're non-existent. So instead, I have presidential themed drinks. Sort of. And of course, you gotta start with shots first, right? So we're starting with a little something called Assassin. Because, as we all know, I think it's only two, right? I don't know my history very well, so don't judge me. But two of our presidents, unfortunately, got assassinated. So this one is for them. That sounds so mean. I'm not cold-hearted, I promise. And then I laughed. That doesn't help me. That didn't help my case at all. So in honor of them on President's Day, we will take a shot for them. Now for this one, it's pretty easy. It's just 3 ingredients. It's gonna be 3/4 ounces each of banana liqueur, blue caracal, and orange liqueur or triple sec. And to you, we take a shot for the assassination of 2 of our beloved presidents. That sounds cold-hearted, but cheers to you. Now for the next one, this one is called World War II. Now I know that they didn't actually start World War II, but if I remember my US government class correctly, they had a hand in deciding to go to war. So, World War II. This one's for you. All right, so this one, what you'll need to do is fill a shaker with ice. And then in that, you're going to put 1 ounce each of vodka, triple sec or orange liqueur, and melon liqueur. Then you're gonna put a dash of lime juice and then fill the rest with pineapple juice. Then you're gonna shake and strain it into a glass. Now, I know World War II was like a bitter kind of situation, but this is sweet. I wish World War II was this instead, but it's not. Cheers. Now this next one is called Atomic Waste, which is associated, of course, with the atomic bomb, which was made famous by President Harry S. Truman. All right, so for this one, fill a shaker with ice, and then add 3/4 ounces each of vodka and melon liqueur, and then 1/2 ounce each of peach schnapps and banana liqueur. And then you're just gonna fill that with milk, shake, and strain into a chilled glass. Now, the atomic bomb did a lot of damage, and yeah, it's gonna still do some damage here. Now, my best girlfriend says that milk and alcohol don't mix, but I'm good. I'm good. Cheers. Now this last one is actually a shot because, you know, like when you start out your night, you start out with shots, then you drink some more, maybe take a shot in between, but then you always just finish it off with a shot. So we're finishing off with a shot, and this one is called the Dirty Harry. Now, of course, it's not based on Harry S. Truman, but we're gonna assume it does. So this one's based on President Harry S. Truman. Now, did you know, and I heard this just recently, that the S in Harry S. Truman actually is not abbreviated for anything. It's just an S. Now, I heard that the reason why was his parents didn't want to offend his 2 grandfathers by choosing one of their names, both which started with an S. So it's just simply S. Harry S. Truman. That's it. Just an S, not abbreviated. The more you know, right? Alrighty, and for this one, you'll just need to fill a shaker with ice, and then to that you'll add 1 ounce each of coffee liqueur and orange liqueur. And then you'll just shake and strain into a shot glass. To you, Mr. Harry, S that doesn't stand for anything, Truman. Whew. Wow. I am feeling those drinks. Let me tell you. Happy President's Day. Oh man. Not again. Well, there's only one thing to do. I hope you get inspiration from my kitchen. Like and subscribe if you want to come back for more, and comment any ideas or your craziest drunken stories. And you can also connect on any of my social media listed below. Thank you bunches for being here, and I'll catch you back here for more deliciousness.